You can actually have multiple meals with this recipe that we're about to give you, and then it tastes really good.
Alright, we're about to shoot a really quick video to show you how to make a really awesome salad using all these raw vegetables that give you the raw enzymes, or is it raw enzymes? The live enzymes that you need, because live enzymes help you with gut health and just so many other things. And so we're going to show you how we take them in.
Well, basically live enzymes, they help you process and digest your food. But anyway, this is, he likes it, I like it, and everybody's happy.
Oh yeah. Alright, here's what all goes in. We have about a big handful of kale, good handful of baby carrots, 1 romaine lettuce, 2 green onions, and just a little sliver of the purple and the green cabbage. So we just cut a little piece off both of them. And then here is all the stuff we use for the sauce. Let you read the labels yourself. The only thing that's not labeled is this right here is ground up roasted sesame seeds. And Ceci said they call it what?
Tahini.
And for the topping, we like to put these wonton strips, some sliced almonds, and avocado. All of this mixed together makes the most amazing, delicious salad that I think I've ever eaten. Now, to make the chopping process go by a little bit faster and easier, we are using our awesome food processor. I mean, you can always chop it by hand, you know, just a knife, but food processor is a lot faster and easier. Now everything is cut for the salads. We're gonna mix it up, and then she is going to make the dressing. Alright, now this recipe calls for a half a cup of oil, and we like a variety, so we use a 1/4 cup of grapeseed oil and a 1/4 cup of avocado oil to just give it a little more variety. But if you want to keep it simple and not have to buy 2 types of oil, just buy avocado oil, because that's the one the recipe mainly calls for.
Okay, this is like it's about 2.5 inch by 1 inch root. That's how much I'm using. 1 large garlic clove or 2 small ones. A 1/4 cup of grapeseed oil. We add the other half, a 1/4 of avocado oil. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, less sodium. We're gonna add 3 tablespoons of organic honey. We're gonna add 1/4 cup of white rice vinegar. I'm sorry. We also have, this is very important, it's sesame oil, but it's very strong, so you have to be careful. We're gonna add just half a teaspoon. This one. And last but not least, they call this Tahini, which is just ground sesame. Basically, it's just ground sesame, toasted sesame. And it's 1 tablespoon. And it's ready. Just blend it. And it's delicious. It just smells so good. Like the garlic and the ginger. Delicious.
Alright, so everything's done, so we're gonna make our plates and bowls. You know, she likes a plate, I like a bowl. Bon appetit. That's it. So try it out and go down below. Let me know how amazing it is, how much you love it. And thank my chef Ceci for teaching us how to do it. All right, now we're about to enjoy our salad. So that is it. See you next time.